Aerated concrete, an intelligent building material, energy efficient, versatile, and environmentally friendly. Blocks or panels made of aerated concrete are light and easy to work with. Aerated concrete products are high in demand, they're regionally produced and used worldwide as a wall building material. Investments in production plants are highly feasible, as long as you have the right partner. Wehrhahn is the specialist in aerated concrete production plants. Everything from one source, made in Germany.
We are only successful if our customers are successful. The most important issue for us is to provide solutions that enable our customers to operate successfully in the market. For that purpose, we have to listen carefully and learn. What do our customers really need?
It is not our philosophy to always try and sell the biggest and most expensive product. We enter into an intensive dialogue with our customer so that at the end of the day we can put together the right business concept for them. Customers should start out with the most basic plan to satisfy their needs, and after that we can expand and improve the factory as needed. There are different sizes. Our smallest plants produce 200 cubic meters per day, but we're also able to supply plants with capacities of 2,000 cubic meters per day. That is quite a large plant. We consider the complete investment from the customer's point of view. Certain plant components can be produced locally. We provide our customers with manufacturing drawings and make sure that locally made components meet their requirements. We are active all over the world. There are currently over 100 Wehrhahn plants supplied, which means we have enormous amounts of experience. Every new plant that we design or engineer benefits from the experience gained with all the previous ones.
Customers send us the raw materials that are available locally, and we chemically examine their composition and quality in our laboratory.
Wenn wir jetzt eine Auswahl an Rohstoffen haben, die geeignet sind,
if we have a selection of suitable raw materials, then we start with standard formulations in the laboratory, which we know will just about work. They can be modified according to the parameters which the raw materials showed in the aforementioned analysis. And then you turn the so-called green cake into a solid white cake. It's almost magical and definitely fun.
Kuchen, also es ist schon ein bisschen Magie und macht auch Spaß. Wir haben ja auch viele Kunden, diese Newcomer in diesem Bereich.
We have many customers who are newcomers in this industry, and we support them on the laboratory side and in the commissioning of their production plant. That means we go to where the customers are, accompany them through the plant commissioning until they produce the first cake, the first blocks. We stay by their side until they're producing a marketable product.
Der Projektleiter ist das Mädchen für alles.
The project manager is a jack of all trades. He has to keep track of everything so that 15 to 18 months after the project starts, production can begin in the plant.
Produktion vor Ort angeschmissen werden kann. Der Kunde hat eigentlich nur einen einzigen Ansprechpartner.
The customer actually always has a single contact person. That could be me, for example, or one of my colleagues. It's very personal. You can just say, somebody is there. You know the face, you have their telephone number, their email address, you can always reach them. Once you start a project, you never stop. I still look after the plant for my very first project. You're married to that project for life.
Ein Projekt zeitlebens verheiratet.
3, 2, 1, go.
Eine Anlage ist nicht nie
No
gleich.
two plants are ever exactly the same. we're continuously adapting to the market. Throughout designing, solid design and solid products are very important for us. We use individual components from reputable suppliers. At Wehrhahn, we ensure the highest quality by putting all our machines through rigorous testing. All the machines are tested in the workshops prior to shipment. Whether they are hydraulically or electrically connected, every machine is tested from A to Z and only released for delivery after it has passed these function tests.
Zur Auslieferung freigegeben.
Without programming, the machines don't move. We have to write a program that is optimized for each machine. Often, there is not a fixed sequence of movements. Machines don't always go from right to left. I have to see what the machine next to another one is doing, too. Is the machine ready? What is the status of the machine? Can the machine in the meantime carry out other jobs? We handle all those questions in teamwork. That's what's nice about it. That is, if I have any questions, then I walk across the courtyard and go to the colleague who designed the machine and ask him, how was that meant? Why is it like this and not like this?
Optimieren wir auch einige Abläufe, nicht?
Energy use is a hot-button topic, and rightfully so. It is important. We have to use our resources efficiently in order to protect the environment. If you want to save energy, first you have to measure and display its consumption. We are able to simultaneously locate and implement ways to save energy in the production process. We can help you save up to 40% of your energy costs. Siemens saw our potential to not only recommend energy management systems and equipment, but also to install them. We realized that we could offer our customers the whole package. That's how we became Siemens' energy management partner.
Partner von Siemens geworden. Ein Kunde von uns kauft natürlich nicht nur einfach eine Maschine.
Customers don't just buy a machine from us, just a product. They also buy the service that goes with it. The principle is this: the customer takes delivery of a machine or a plant which consists of many machines. These machines must first be installed, aligned, fixed to the foundations, measurements are taken, and only then can production actually start. Naturally, we train the operators to handle the machines. Often, we also teach the customer all about the process technology, too. Specialists from our laboratory explain to the customer about the most important maintenance topics and how to cope with our technical documentation. There are cases where one of the machine's functions requires adjustments. Sometimes, the adjustment can only be understood by looking through the program, and it is great to be able to do this remotely, using our remote services.
Indem man im Programm nachguckt, warum wird jetzt diese Funktion nicht gestartet. Und das kann man natürlich wunderbar via Fernwartung machen.
My name is Farhad Ismailov. I'm an entrepreneur. I love to develop something, to build something, or to organize. I feel myself as a Wehrhahn family as well. When you're finalizing first project, and if you are starting let's say the year after the second project, it means something, definitely. It means that me as an investor, I'm happy and I'm satisfied what I got on my money. And I would like to move on, and I would like to move on with that team and professionals, and to see the benefits.
Die Zusammenarbeit mit Wehrhahn lief in
Working with Wehrhahn has been very good throughout the project's lifetime. Over the course of the last 8 years working with them, I can say that their work is top quality, especially their service. It is trouble-free, extremely competent, and very fast. In my opinion, this investment has definitely paid off.
Und sehr schnell läuft, hat sich diese Investition meiner Meinung nach voll gerechnet.
Currently, we are actually running one Wehrhahn plant in Kuala Lumpur, and we are in the planning stages to acquire the second plant for a Wehrhahn plant in Johor. The main reason that we go with Wehrhahn is because of the technology. they can provide us with a machine which is with a high capacity machine producing good blocks. Wehrhahn is the perfect partner if you are looking for an AAC machine.
Wenn wir betrachten, was in den letzten 10, 15 Jahren an
If you look at the innovations that have entered the market in the last 10 to 15 years, you'll see that they have been strongly influenced by Wehrhahn. We have a big advantage over other companies in this sector in that we have an integrated approach. We can accompany our customers from designing through to manufacturing and automation technology, and are therefore able to offer them solutions that go beyond what is offered by a mere engineering company.
hinausgehen, was ein reiner Maschinenbauer liefern kann.